Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a no makeup look, which is what you guys voted for from my Instagram stories. So to take part in the next vote, be sure to follow me on Instagram and let me know in the comments below what you think. Let's get to it. I had a feeling you guys would pick that one. Very popular right now. Everyone on the red carpet is doing it. It's very in for New York Fashion Week in Paris. Kylie was doing it. It's just this simple, skin-focused glam. So in making sure our skin is hydrated, I'm going in with some facial spray. It's the, I'll just show you. I'm obsessed with anything lavender, and this is just so calming and relaxing. And also going in with a general daily moisturizer. I just had a facial, or just finished peeling from a facial. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. But my skin is thirsty, so I'm going in heavy with the moisturizer. So the key to any no makeup look is skin prep and skin care. But mostly it's how you layer the products. Contrary to popular belief, a no makeup look is actually quite a bit of makeup. It's just how you layer it that makes it look so natural. With primer, and I apply it generously, especially to any areas that I feel are dry or the pores are larger. Then I do what some people call underpainting or contouring, bronzing, whatever you want to call it. I take a cream contour palette and a fluffy brush, contour or concealer brush, and I just carve the cheekbone, going right above the actual cheekbone and kind of flicking like this a little bit. And you don't have to worry about applying too much or if you're going too dark, because we're gonna paint over this with with foundation. So I use it to shape around my eye, my temple, cheek, and then jaw. For the jaw, I'm going right along the line of where it almost disappears into under here. I don't know. From here, I take my foundation brush and I just buff this into the skin. On the jaw or the cheek, I'm working in an upward motion, and you don't have to blend it in 100% because again, we're going over it with foundation. You could also take it upon yourself to contour your nose at this point. I don't know, I just don't care to contour my nose, I guess. This is where I do it differently. Some people will do the bronzing, then the concealer, and then foundation. I like to mix up my rotation a little bit. I like to do the underpainting and then foundation, and if I need concealer, go in with that. So I'm going to use my Summer Glow Beauty Velvet Matte Foundation in F21. And with the no makeup look, you make it your own. So you choose how much foundation you want to use. I just dab it all over. And you can also go over the eye. What's nice about these looks is, yeah, it's more makeup than you'd think, but you choose how heavy you apply it. You could choose to do no foundation and just concealer and contour. But this foundation just blends so effortlessly and It's so lightweight that it pairs beautifully for the no makeup look and the feel. It's also oil free, so if you have acne or oily prone skin, don't have to worry about that. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it as well, so it's good for your skin. So easy to blend, so creamy. And this is just the foundation and contour. 2 steps, so easy, so flawless. And it's giving youth and radiance. The skin is so bouncy and plump. And no transfer, by the way. I would like to brighten the eye a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with some concealer. This is Smashbox Full Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. And I'm just applying a little bit of it right here, not very much. You could do a little flick here too if you like, just to give that snatched eye. And again, you can put some more anywhere that you have a blemish. Taking a wet beauty blender. And see how this just gives such a lift to the eye. Now I go in with setting powder, and if you are a dry skin girl, then you don't want to leave this on for too long. You just want to set any oily areas and where you put your concealer. And I like to follow right where I had that concealer to lift that eye, carve out the jaw. If you use cream blush, you would do that before this powder, just because, well, powder and then adding a cream product on top can cause separation. Dusting off the excess, and just look at how bright the under eye is, how flawless. Now to add a bit of color back into the face and to set our contour, I'm going over top with a light bronzer. This is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And just see how that adds a little bit more depth back into the cheek. I could have taken the setting powder all over to set these areas, but I wanted to go in with a little bit of powder instead. Oh my god, my hair is doing something wild today. That's right. I'm ambidextrous for makeup. On clients too. Powder blush because I forgot to use cream. If you don't know where to place your blush, you can do thumb to your nose, pointer to your ear, and right here is your blush. Circular motions on top of the cheek. You can kind of go into your bronzer if you like. I'm also going to take that bronzer and use it in the crease of my eye. just to give the eye some shape. Don't have to be purposeful with this at all because it's the same bronzer we used on our cheek, so just looks really natural. You can bring it into the nose if you like. I like to add some highlight to the brow bone and the tear duct of the eye. It's up to you if you want to do that as well. Some people also like the dewy look. I personally think it looks wet and sweaty, so I prefer to feel really set everywhere and then add some shine this way. Top of the lip, the nose. Had to switch my brush, and now I'm taking an angled fluffy brush and adding a little bit of that highlight to the cheek. Filling in my brows with the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in chocolate. And we're almost there, folks. Literally all that's left is lashes and setting powder and a lip. Up to you if you want to add lashes, or of course if you have lash extensions already in. You know, I'm not gonna add any lashes because this is a no makeup look, so I'm gonna do just my naturals with some mascara. And I'm gonna go in for a barely there lip, which is another trend I'm seeing a lot of on celebrities as well. It's kind of giving concealer lips, but with a dark lip line. And either it's not even dark lip line, it's just like literally barely there lip line and the inner lip being kind of concealer. Like, are you kidding me? Oh, gorgeous. And here's your no makeup look. So now going in for lip, I'm doing a barely there lip. I'm using this Pretty Little Thing in Omrizi collab. This is from Lip Kit 1. It's just a really neutral shade. Okay, now for lip, I wanted to go in with something close to my natural lip color. So these are the shades I swatched. This is 211, 216, and this is 214. So this is more my natural lip color. So I'm gonna go in with 214 from the Summer Glow Beauty Creamy Radiant Matte Lipsticks. And I'm just gonna oh yeah. What a beautiful nudie pink. These lipsticks are non-drying and have jojoba oil in them. So they're very creamy, very pigmented, long-lasting. And they pair easily with a gloss or chapstick over top too if you want, which I think I'm gonna do that today. My addiction lately has been the Dior Lip Glow Oil. So I'm gonna use that. This is shade Raspberry. And there you have it, a no makeup look. Comment, like, subscribe, let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments.